I wanted to show you once again an example of what you can do with a 3D printer, and I've purchased a set of these over the past several months of these Panasonic Travel Vision televisions. They're little tiny televisions. You can see the size of the picture tube here. It's a little tiny black and white television with an AM/FM FM stereo radio built in, these units were called four-way power. They came with a wall adapter that you could plug in here, so you could go with 117 volt AC power converted to a 6 volt power input. They came with a cigarette lighter adapter for your car, which converted 12 volts to 6 volts, and you'd plug that adapter in here. So that's two. Then the other two power sources were a couple of battery packs that fit in the back here. And one of the battery packs was a regular AA battery pack. You put 4 AA batteries and then snap that AA battery pack in here and then put the cover back on. And then the fourth power possibility was a Nicad, rechargeable Nicad battery pack. This is the remains of a Nicad battery pack that fit in here, snapped in here, and I destroyed it in taking it apart and for measurements and such, because it wasn't you weren't able to take this apart without basically tearing it out. These are the Nicad batteries that were in there, and you can see the corrosion, and they wouldn't take a full charge. I did actually get it to charge one time and played for about 5 minutes, and then it died. So what I did was I went to Amazon and bought 4 AA Nicad batteries, and I 3D printed. I modeled this online with an online modeler. Looks like a little piano sitting there. I created this replacement pack or case for the to hold the batteries, and you can see that it's been 3D printed. I set it on the printer and it printed this little plastic case, and then I soldered these new batteries together and installed them in the battery pack case. And so we're going to try it in this television and see if we actually get any kind of results with the TV. See if it'll actually work. So we'll snap it in there. It's pretty snug, and we'll snap the case cover back in if I can. Kind of do this one-handed. Okay, and let's see how it does. Power is here.
It's all right to sit back in Washington and make appropriations, but I always like to go out and see what the people are getting for their money.
Now, that's a very worthy sentiment, sir.
All right, just like Andy Griffith. So there you've got it. The battery pack works, and got to get the cover back on there, but battery pack works. It's set up to recharge with the adapter. So this is like it was, basically like it was in 1982 when the set was first sent to market. So hope you enjoyed this video. What can you do with a 3D printer? Well, just one more little project, replacing this from a completely destroyed 1982 vintage battery pack.